What are your plans for this summer? You're invited to attend a 5-day 4-H summer camp this year. Explore with us now the excitement, fun, friends, and new experiences in store for 9 to 13-year-olds at 4-H camp.
Oh, it's a vacation. I went to Florida a few weeks ago, but this measures it all the way up to the top.
I like the events and like swimming, like everything.
You have more fun here than you would do at home because you can do just about everything.
You have fun. You just swim and play basketball and all that other stuff. Sing.
Well, you're away from home and you're here with all your friends and get to have a good old time.
I like teaching. I'm a team leader this year. It's my 7th year altogether. And I like the swimming and the dancing. Basically teaching my classes. I teach football this year.
By the way, you don't have to stay in tents or cook your own food. Cabins, other needed camp facilities, and good food are all a part of 4-H camp. There are 5 4-H camp locations in Kentucky, and you'll attend the one serving your area of the state. At 4-H camp, you can build new friendships and enjoy having fun with others. Plan to attend 4-H camp this summer. Your county extension office has information on camp dates and location.
4-H camp! Yay!
Awesome.